My name is Walter Quevedo. I'm from Local 1 and I work for Higher Nelson.
Have you ever been to a cost-based knowledge and advancement program?
No, I have not.
What do you expect from your program?
I expect maybe to go from a transition from being an apprentice to become an actual journeyman. Like as far as like knowing all the knowledge, all the experience that the journeyman has.
Why do you want to go?
I just want to see what's out there. I mean, I know the union is something super big, but I don't know exactly how big it really is or it can be.
What was your significant other's reaction?
She wasn't happy. She wasn't happy because she thought it was just like, hey, let's go party or something. But eventually she got over it. So she knows it was part of work in school.
What was your impression about the discussion with President McCarry?
He is very, how would you say it? He's just one of us. Like he's in the trade. He knows all the background. Like he was out there in the field, so I feel like he understands us in a more personal level than a business person.
What information are you seeking from the contractor panel?
The ins and outs of the business. We know what's going on outside the trade. We're working and stuff, but to see how they bid their jobs, or like their market share and everything, like the business aspect of their part.
Is this your first time at the International Training Center?
Yes.
What do you think of the facility and the training that comes with it?
It's huge. It's a lot of training. Like there's many carpentry jobs that I didn't know about that they offer in Vegas. It's just amazing.
What's in it for you?
Experience, knowledge, growth. I plan to grow with it. So yeah.
What does this experience teach you?
It's just like how massive and how big the carpenters union is, like in different states. Like I didn't even know there was union in Ohio or Indiana. It's great.
Have you had a chance to network with other Midwest region apprentices?
Yes. Minnesota, Wisconsin, Michigan, Ohio, Indiana.
Would you recommend the program to other apprentices?
Oh yeah, I could definitely learn a lot, and you just see the bigger picture of what everybody does this for, as far as like being.
You're paid as a professional, as a professional. What does that statement tell you?
Carry yourself, like you expect somebody else to carry your name around because you represent the company that you work for, the union, and just everybody in general.